Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to sound like Batman using ElevenLabs. So what you want to do guys is first hover over to voices and then click on the plus icon right here and then click on instant voice clone. And what you need to do is just drag and drop an audio file. You can easily find these on YouTube, on Google, right? Batman voices. And then what you do, you just go ahead and drag and drop the audio file. You need at least 10 seconds of audio. But if you have more, that's even better. Because the more audio you have, the better the clone will be. Then make sure you toggle this one on. Remove background noise from audio recordings. Go ahead and click on next. By the way, I'll also leave a link in the description for ElevenLabs. You can go ahead and try this out for yourself. Then you just need to make sure you add a name, a description, and language. The value will go ahead and select it as English. Toggle this one on. Okay, then click on Save Voice. Now what we're going to do, we're going to use the text-to-speech feature, okay? You can also use your own clone with your own voice. You just put in a voice recording. Okay, you can record one in ElevenLabs and then make it sound like Batman, or you can use the text feature, which is what I'll use right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the Batman voice. The model, make sure it's 11 multilingual v2. This is the latest version that they actually have. Speed, leave it at 1. Stability, 50%. If you're doing something that has a lot more characters, for example, 4,000 characters, you can leave it higher, 80, 75%. Similarity, leave it at 75%. We'll exaggerate the style a little bit because we are doing a character with a unique style. Make it at 30%. Speaker boost, toggle this one on. And then we're going to go ahead and generate the speech. And let's see if it sounds like Batman. All right, let's see what ElevenLabs comes up.
ElevenLabs, this is Batman. I'm testing your voice synthesis. Make sure it's accurate, no mistakes. Gotham doesn't have time for glitches.
Well, that was accurate. And you can try it out for yourself as well. Go check out the link in the description, guys. Try it, ElevenLabs. You can even replicate your own voice.